Welcome to New American Garden. I'm Carl Bishop. This is my Gardening for Beginners series. And in this three-part series, if you're just getting started in gardening, I'm going to show you the basics. The winter's going to leave behind a whole lot of stuff. Leaves that fell in the late fall after you were done cleaning up. Some trash that blew in from your neighbor's yard. There's twigs and sticks that fell off the trees during a winter storm. There's just going to be a whole lot of stuff you need to remove so the existing plants can come up and be healthy and you have room to put in new plants. So in the spring, I go into my garden beds with hedge shears and I cut down any existing plant that's still there, that's dead, and then I take a rake and rake out all the debris. It's that simple. Step 2 of this process is to go in there with a little hoe or maybe a shovel and just disturb the first 3 to 4 inches of the soil that have been compacted during the winter or from foot traffic last season. Once you're tilling the top layer of the soil, it's a great opportunity to add some food to give those plants a head start. Compost is great, peat moss is great, and also maybe it's an opportunity to throw in some of your favorite high-tech green fertilizer product you can buy. One of my favorites is M-Roots. It's been designed to include nematodes and microcilii, which are these little creatures that help feed the roots of your plant. Once you've cleared, cultivated, and fertilized your soil, it's time to cover it with some mulch to keep the weeds down, keep the soil in place, and retain moisture. So to prep your garden, remove all the dead organic matter, allowing sunlight and air to reach your plants, and cultivate the soil if it's compacted, just a little bit, first 3 to 4 inches, and it's also an opportunity to feed your plants for the season ahead. Be sure to watch the other episodes in my Gardening for Beginners series, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I'm Carl Bishop, and this is New American Garden.